Hi everyone, today we're going to be working on lesson 12.2, Customary Units of Length. When we think about length, we think about our ruler and our yardstick. A ruler is used to measure length. A ruler that is 1 foot long shows 12 inches in 1 foot. A ruler that is 3 feet long is called a yardstick. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. And as you can see here, I have my 12-inch ruler, 12 inches in 1 foot. And I have a yardstick, which is 3 feet long. There are 3 feet in 1 yard. How does the size of a foot compare to the size of an inch? Step 1. A small paper clip is about 1 inch long. Below is a drawing of a chain of paper clips that is about 1 foot long. Number each paper clip starting with 1. So we have our paper clips, and I've had a little paper clip off to the side for you. Let's number them one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 paper clips. Step 2. Complete the sentence. In the chain of paper clips shown, there are 12 paper clips. We have 12 paper clips here. Step 3. Compare the size of 1 inch to the size of 1 foot. Now remember, the small paper clips are about 1 inch long. So there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So this is 12 inches, which is equal to a foot. So 1 foot is 12 times as long as 1 inch. Let's try some problems together. But before we do that, let's take a look at our customary units of length chart. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. And 1 yard is the same or equal to 36 inches. Let's try number 1. 5 feet equals blank inches. Now I know 1 foot equals 12 inches. I know if I multiply 1 times 5, it will give me 5. So 1 foot times 5 is 5 feet. Whatever I do to this side of the equal sign, I must do to this side. So I need to multiply 12 inches times 5. 12 times 5 equals 60. So 5 feet equals 60 inches. Let's try number 2. 3 yards equals blank feet. I know 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 yard times 3 gives me 3 yards. Remember, whatever I do on this side of the equal sign, I must do on this side. So I need to multiply 3 feet times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. So 3 yards equals 9 feet. Let's try number 3. 5 yards equals blank feet. I know 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 times 5 equals 5. So I must multiply 3 times 5. So 5 yards equals 15 feet. Let's try number 4. 4 feet equals blank inches. I know 1 foot equals 12 inches. I need to multiply 1 foot times 4 to give me 4 feet. Whatever I do on this side of the equal sign, I must do on the other side. So the 12 inches I must multiply by 4. 12 times 4 equals 48. So 4 feet equals 48 inches. Number 5. 6 feet equals blank inches. 1 foot equals 12 inches. How did I get from 1 foot to 6 feet? I multiplied by 6. So, I need to multiply 12 inches by 6. 12 times 6 equals 72. So 6 feet equals 72 inches. And finally, number 6. 8 yards equals blank feet. I know 1 yard equals 3 feet. I need to multiply 1 times 8 to get 8. Whatever I do on this side of the equal sign, I must do on the other. 3 feet times 8 equals 24 feet. So 8 yards equals 24 feet. Be sure to use your customary units of length box on your reference sheet in order to help you solve your problems.